Knocking on. We'll get it fixed. I think you're right, though, Luke. Distributor problems, issues, yeah. That'll be okay. Thank you, Uncle Jesse. Appreciate the ride. All right. It's nice to be able to open the door, just kind of jump out. I like it. Whew. Get her fixed. Hi. Hi, what do you think?
Got a park right here.
That's good.
Alright, let's
I think it'll start up. As long as you put gas in it.
No, man. I don't. He's having long, and I'm like, hey,
Yeehaw! Nice.
You might be in business.
Oh yeah.
yeah, man.
Let me check it out.
I think we should still maybe put it in the shop tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to have crew to check it out.
Just should be.
What's that?
Should be acting like this.
See, Roscoe.
What's stinking, Roscoe?
What's he doing here?
What? He's up to no good, I guarantee you. What, Roscoe? Freeze, you dukes, freeze! Put him here! That's boss! I doubt it.
What did we do?
You just freeze, don't move! We got you for running shine. Boss, come on!
Run and shine. We haven't run and shine
just
here.
I know there's shine in your car because I put it there. Go! You boys are going to jail. No, we're
What are you
not.
up to?
We ain't done nothing. Just listen here. You're going to cuff up.
Run and shine.
Get your arms up and cuff out. We don't run moonshine no more. Come here. Come here. You just hold this.
Roscoe, you know I can't have guns
You
anymore.
guys are trying to frame us for
Hey,
something.
what are you doing? Set us up.
Hey, get Balls! Eat us! Go, cuff up! Hot pursuit! Go! I'll go get them right now! Love hot pursuit! You mute dipstick! Some good driving there, Luke.
Here goes another one.
Get out of my way! Let's go. I'm gonna cuff you. He's not gonna catch up. Dipstick! You wrecked that way! Don't worry, boss. We get him. Love you. It's running good. It's really good. Faster! Dang, that's a good drop. You know I love you, boss.